You are looking at Julian's pronunciation guide, where we look at how to pronounce better some of the most mispronounced words in the world, like this other curious word. But how do you say what you're looking for today? We are looking at how to pronounce these names and more confusing names many mispronounce, so stay tuned to the channel, become part of the community. The name of French origin. For reference, in French it's said as Jabot, Jabot. In French there is no particular stress on any of the two syllables. That's why in English you can say it as Jabot or Jabot. Both pronunciations are indeed used incorrect. Jabot or Jabot. From French, Jabot. And now you know. Like this video if you found it useful. I appreciate your support, and more videos for you here to learn more free correct pronunciations. Thanks for watching. Here are more videos on how to pronounce more confusing words and names too many mispronounced. Like this video if you found it useful. I appreciate your support. I'll see you soon, and thanks for watching.